Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rima Damayanti. My number studying is 2023 63 000M9. Okay, in here I will answer the final test question about introduction to the literature. The first question is: read the material carefully and criticize the ways of studying fictional literary work, poetry, prose, and drama. Okay, the following is a criticism of ways studying fictional literary work. In general criticism, first, to focus on structural analysis, ignore aspect of context, meaning, and social influence. The second is lack of indisciplinary approach, ignore historical, culture, and psychological aspect. The third is to depend on Western literary theory, ignore non-Western literary theories and approach. The fifth is lack of criticism of literary work, ignoring aspect of ideology and power. Okay, the next is specific criticism. First is poetry. In the poetry is ignore rhythm and rhythm aspect, lack of attention to metaphor and symbolism, to focus on literal meaning. The next is prose. In the prose is ignoring narrative aspect and story structure, lack of attention to characterization and physiology of characters, to focus on theme analysis. The third is drama. In drama is ignoring theatrical and performance aspect, like attention to dialogue and characterism, to focus on plot and analyze. Recommendation. The next is recommendation for improvement. The first is interdisciplinary approach, linguistic, historical, social, and culture. The second is analyze context and meaning. The third is attention to psychological and ideological aspects. The fourth is using non-Western literary theory. The fifth is use a qualitative and quantitative method. Okay, the next is question number 2. The question is: what are the importance of studying literature in education? Okay, I think literature is very important in education, such as first, increasing interest in reading. I think literary can be a potential learning source to increase students' reading interest. The second is develop critical reasoning. Reading literature requires deep understanding and critical analysis of the text. The third is language skills. I think is development. Literature helps students to develop about reading, writing, and speaking skills. Through literary work, students learn about vocabulary, sentence structure, and various language styles that improve communication skills. Okay, the next fifth is sharpens creativity in and imagination. I mean, literature encourage students' imagination and creativity, but as readers and writers. Liter- Literature work, especially fiction, provide space for student to imagine different worlds, which can be a source of inspiration in various areas of life. Overall, literary is not only intellectually enriching but also deepens emotional and social aspect, which make it an important component in a holistic education. Okay, that is from me, maybe enough. The last I say, I'm so sorry for my mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.